this video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney to create images like these you can actually use to make quality print-on-demand items. In order to offer your customers a quality product, you need to use scalable images. Okay, so let's head over to Midjourney. First, let me make sure I've got the right settings. I was playing around with this earlier. If possible, you definitely want this on version 5 and style very high, because the difference is huge. You can do this with version 4, but the quality on the end result just won't be as good, in my opinion. Alright, /imagine to start the prompt. And then write what you want to see. I'm thinking, happy dog. Put a comma. Next, let's put its purpose. Okay, it's a t-shirt design. Another comma. What style should we do? I don't know, let's put retro wave. This next part is important. We need these images to be scalable, so we need to be sure to include vector. 2D and sometimes flat is good too. Press enter to get that going. There is a lot of advice out there regarding how to write the best prompts, and this here is what I found gives me the results I was looking for. These prompts are nice and simple. And simple is good. This is going to take a minute. I guess I could have put it back on fast mode. Sorry about that. In the meantime, you could do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It will seriously help me out. While that's doing its thing, we can start another. What I like to do is come up here and copy this. /imagine to start another prompt. Paste that right in here. This time let's do a fancy cat. When it comes to the style, try words like rainbow bright, synthwave, or edgy goth. I'm a big fan of pastel punk. Perfect. Press enter to get that cooking. And it looks like we're just in time. Our happy dogs look fantastic. I like the fourth one best, so I'll upscale that one. This is going to make a badass t-shirt. To save it to your computer, click on it. Open in browser, and from here, if you click again, you can see how good the quality truly is. Right-click and save as. Alright, close that. Let's go check on our fancy cat. Still not done, so let's do one more. Another great way to come up with unique and interesting images is to try lots of different combinations. This time I'll try a time period. Let's go with 1700s and see what we get. We can also add more details, like wearing a dress. Paste in the rest. Change the style once again. Since we put 1700s, I'm gonna type in vintage. Alright, by the way, there is a way faster way to do this using ChatGPT. Wondering why I have an option called Templates? You can learn more about that by watching my other video. I will also put a link in the description box. All you need to do to speed up the process is give ChatGPT a couple example prompts and tell it to suggest 5 more. Now watch how fast you can create these images. It's as simple as copy, and paste. Copy. And paste. Alright, well you guys get the idea, so I'll leave you with another slideshow. Remember, to get results like these, try words like grunge, geometric, comic book, and whatever else you think of. Good luck guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I'm a cool cat.